is our first time ever putting gel coat on. It's a learning process. First time getting a boat on the lift. This boat is looking really good.
Running into a few difficulties, but nothing major.
Ready?
Heck, you might as well just go all the way down now. Hey, stop. No, we got a whole bunch of issues. The chains over here are already hitting this boat. All right, fully disconnected on both sides. There he goes. Wait! There you have it. All right, so we got kind of curious to see if this epoxy would stop a small caliber bullet. So we got a 22. It's about 1 inch thick, maybe a little more. If the 22 doesn't penetrate, we're gonna try it with the 9mm. I don't think the 22 is gonna penetrate. There we go. We're finally painting it today. So we gotta tape off a few little sections like this thing and these two things. But today all we're working on is up here. But the problem is it's pretty chilly.
55.
Pretty chilly right now, and the boat's 55 degrees, and it's got to be between 70 or 80 degrees for the paint to stick. So we got the heat gun out here, and I guess I'm probably gonna heat it up, and somebody else is gonna wipe it with acetone, and once we get this boat up to temperature, it's going to get painted. Alright, so we've changed up our plan a little bit. The heat gun wasn't doing it, for I guess obvious reasons. It's just a little bit too small. But we got the multi-fuel kerosene jet thingy. I don't even know what it is, honestly. The space heater.
We want to stay about 3 inches from the strap and 3 inches from the board.
Hopefully this space heater will do the trick for us. I think it should. Up to temp. I guess degrees, I told you guys wrong earlier, it's 60 through 90 is what it's got to be at, so 60 degrees Fahrenheit through 90 degrees Fahrenheit, but we're going to try it for 70 through 80.
Sit down. We'll go out of the way. Okay. Now what do we need to do here? No, you can't do anything with it. Just don't let it turn over. You got to get the roller soaked. Okay. Like this. Make sure you take your time and get it soaked. It'll already be soaked by the time. Then you kind of roll it out a little bit. Too wet. This is the way you do it.
Get that line out, Joe.
Yes. Okay, I don't want to get it in my eyes, so. I would leave the heater on.
Plug it back in. It's probably gonna be the way I'll have to do it. Just down the side like that.
much done. At least really close to done. Looks pretty good. More like a rhino liner than a paint, so there's a little bit of a texture to it. I don't know if y'all can even really see. But it'll definitely work good for what we're needing it to. And Jacob's getting the last little section of the first coat. And then after
Not
that,
the last little section, bro. We gotta finish this whole side.
that's the last little section. Last little section of the first coat. Basically this whole side underneath. Then after we're done with that, we're gonna start on the second coat up front because it's already completely dry. Right up through here. So it's ready to be painted with the second coat.
This boat is looking really good. We're putting on the second coat right now, but you can see this is just dirt. We're gonna clean that off, but you can see it. And what we'll do is once this dries, is move these straps and these boards, prep those areas, and do those. All we want to do is paint from the water line down, this trim line. Because it's been roughed up so much underneath. And it's looking good. This is our first time ever putting gel coat on. It's a learning process. First time getting a boat on the lift. First time for a lot of things here.
Alright, we got the boat fully painted. 2 coats of paint on. Jacob is finishing up that second coat. But we're pretty much done for the day. Tomorrow we're going to move these boards and the straps and readjust it, prep and paint this part. But the boat is very close to ready. But I guess that's it for today, so we'll pick you guys back up tomorrow. Alright, so we got kind of curious to see if this epoxy would stop a small caliber bullet, so we got a 22. It's about 1 inch thick, maybe a little more. What caliber is that?
I think that's a 9mm. If the 22 doesn't penetrate, we're gonna try it with the 9mm. I don't think the 22 is gonna penetrate.
All right.
Oh, that's the other one. I flipped it over. Did you hit it?
Yeah, right here.
Where's the bullet?
That's dangerous. It bounced.
It
It
bounced.
didn't even
Where's the
go
bullet?
in. I'm lucky it didn't ricochet and hit me.
Well, look at the other side. We'll see the other side.
Huh.
It bounced off
crazy.
right there. That's a piece of epoxy where it
Yeah, let me.
kind of chipped it.
So the 22.
The 22 don't penetrate. Mike, I'd probably stand back on that 9mm. That thing might. There we go. There, it busted it apart. 9mm. I bet you it caught the bullet too. Caliber 22 bounces right off, and then the 9mm would bust it.
Oh, still
One
missing
more
one
piece.
piece.
One more little piece. You can see where it impacted right there.
We're missing 2 pieces.
That was hollow points too. So
Yeah, that little 22 just bounced right off of there. I could have probably shot it 5 times with that 22 and it wouldn't have hit. Wouldn't have broke through.
Some of them went up there.
Look.
What did you say? You almost had a piece together? Just gotta find like 1 more piece.
Well, it doesn't seem like we're gonna find the rest of this epoxy. So we didn't really explain this before we shot it, but the epoxy was basically left over from yesterday, and it dried into a bucket, and we pulled it out of the bucket and was playing with it. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna be able to find this. I'm not seeing it nowhere. I'm sure we'll find it with the lawnmower when we go to mow.
Alright, so we're back on the boat.
It's drying up, so we're gonna throw this second coat on this front part and the back part.
We got the second coat on all the way around. Caleb's finishing up that paint.
Let's paint like side by side wheels. We got enough.
Alright guys.
We're planning on getting
We got the white, we got about 3 coats on, I'd say. That
Just using up the rest of the paint
went
now.
through. Caleb, you wanna hit right here?
I ain't made it over there yet, buddy.
Okay. Well,
I'm getting there.
went through about 2 gallons. We're gonna go through a gallon of clear coat tomorrow. We're gonna clear coat the whole thing. We will save a little bit of clear coat so that we can hit the spots where the straps are. But other than that, she's painted up and we gotta let it dry. Alright guys, so I guess we decided that we are not gonna put the clear coat on the boat right now. So we got, 3 coats all the way around, pretty much. It's got a nice thick layer of marine paint and the whole entire thing's painted. We're gonna get the trailer settled up underneath the boat. Right now there's nothing underneath the boat, so we got the room.
Alright, we're getting all this tape off. We're gonna get ready to put the boat onto the trailer. We're pretty much done with it.
They're in my room. I don't know. Actually,
Alright, we got the tape off the sides under the straps, but we'll have to get that once we put it down, obviously. Alright. Trailer's... This wheel's still locked up. Alright. We got the trailer up in here. We did that by hand. And now we're hooking it back up to the truck. We just got to get it back a little bit farther. And then these straps right here, we're going to get off at the lake whenever we take it. Those straps up front, we should be able to get once we drop it. Because they'll clear this. He's hitting these.
That's it, man.
That's it. I think that's it here. Go forward, go back forward.
No, I think that's it.
These gotta come up or it won't go back anymore. It's hitting.
It's got to come back some more.
Those got to go up then.
Or else we have to
Because
lift
you
up
can see the old line right here where it didn't come back past this before, so we're already past that.
It needs to go forward a little bit.
Now,
It's hitting.
like at this point, is
We'd
what,
have to pick the
what I'm
front of
saying
the
right here
trailer
is
up.
this is the line that the boat used to sit on, so it's already farther back. It's already too far back. Running into a few difficulties, but nothing major.
Okay, they're coming up. Keep going. Going automatically. Alright.
This dirt line, I guess, Joe. Oh, wait.
Yeah, he's too far forward, I told you.
You gotta go forward, my bad. Forward a little tight. Now you just drive off and it'll fall right off the lip onto the trailer.
Ready? How's it looking? Think okay?
Yeah.
What's up? What's happening?
I let the strap off the front. The slack was out of this one.
Heck, you might as well just go all the way down now.
It's stuck.
The chains over here are already hitting this boat. Hey, stop. No, we got a whole bunch of issues.
We're gonna take these chains down.
If we can even figure out how to get these chains down, they're messing up the side of the boat right here.
Oh, this is loose over here, Mike.
Huh?
Okay.
This chain's rubbing up against the boat and it's damaging it. So we can't drop it anymore.
We have to get the chains off. All right, fully disconnected on both sides. There he goes. Wait, wait, wait! I don't know if y'all saw, but the canopy got stuck on the chain.
This pole got caught inside the chain.
There we go. Our lift is finally freed up. Can't do much in neutral. There you have it.